in Chinatown today. We're trying to get as much food as possible for $20 and get full at the same time. Please stay tuned. All right, so we made it to Shu Jiao Fu Zhou. We got some wheat noodles with peanut butter sauce, and I got some pork and chive dumplings. Let's see what this is like. Yeah, so we just finished at Shu Jiao Fu Zhou cuisine. We had, like we said, we had the wonton noodle with peanut sauce and the dumplings with pork and chive. The pork and chive was good. The chili oil wasn't as hot as I thought it was going to be, so I threw in the sriracha. But in that burgundy case, it was not quite sriracha. It was really, really thin. It was like water-based. But it was decent.
And the clear bottle had something floating in there.
The clear bottle had something really funky in it. I would not, something was floating and I would not tempt fate with that one. But it was decent. I mean, we spent about, what, $3 each for the dumplings and $3 for the wonton noodles, right? So we got that. It was good. I mean, it's worth a try. The line moves pretty quickly. So we're going to try out the next spot and let's see how this goes.
So how much money do you have left?
Oh. We got $14 left, or $17 depending on how you look at it. You split Erica's and you split mine, but since I ate some of Erica's, it's probably just $14 left. We'll see what we can do. We have Mei Wei Lah and baked pineapple pork bun. Sweet and savory. I thought it was going to be a little bit more sweeter than this, but it's pretty good. The dough made of the bun is made of, it's sweet. It's sweet. It doesn't really overwhelm how sweet this is. But solid $2.61. Can't be beat. I could probably eat 2 of these, but we're on a bit of a budget right now. It's pretty tasty. Definitely, you get 2 of these. I think that'll run you about, what, $5.20? And then, you know, you can probably get something else cumulatively under $10 and be full. So, first place we went to, we spent $6. This was $2.61. So that's what, $8.61. So we got a little under $12 for the next spot. I think we'll get something good there too. Stay tuned. All right, the next place on our Chinatown cheap eats is Deluxe Green Bo. It's actually a couple doors down from Mei Wei Lah. We still don't know what we want, but we got about $12 to play around with, so I'm thinking that we got a little bit of latitude and we might be able to get something a little bit more substantial, although I'm getting kind of full already. Stay tuned. So I decided on the hot and spicy wonton. That was about $8.25. So we had about $11.61 to play with. So I'm left with about $3 remaining. I don't know what else that would buy me, but I was able to get something cumulatively for under $20. And I'm kind of 80% full, so I think this will put me over the top since it is a soup. And I did it. We did it.
We could have gotten another bun next door.
We could have, but we wanted to try to keep this. We didn't do the math right away, so we're definitely happy about that. And yeah, it's worth trying out again. Erica found a spot. We are so far at $17.56.
I'm determined to find dessert.
She's determined to find dessert, so that keeps us under $20 and you have a full meal. We had appetizers, we had actually a bunch of appetizers, but it made us full. And now we're going to try to top it off with some dessert. Alright, so we're here at Sweets. We found a sticky
mango
roll?
rice
Rice
ball or roll.
Okay.
Which is, think it's like mochi.
It's like, yeah, I think it's mochi. It's pretty dense, and it was $2.25, folks. So that takes us to what, $17.44 plus $2.25. Put me on the spot. Let's just say it's under $20, more than 19, but less than 20. So we got our dessert. It's not super sweet. It's very like it's like a natural fruit, almost like a mango.
Well, it's mango flavor.
There you go. It tastes natural. It's like the natural sweetness from the mango. It's not bad. I mean, for $2.25. I mean, this could go anywhere else in the city. It's probably like $4 or $5. This is good. I think they make this here. It'll be a challenge to get this off. That's the fruit in it. Not bad. So we like that. Oh, this is pretty good.
It's very sticky, as the name says.
The name implies very, very sticky. All right, so that concludes our Chinatown eats under $20. Looks like we got close to $20, but we're underneath it. I think the best spot was what? What did you think was the best?
Those buns that tasted like Krispy Kreme donuts.
Yeah, the buns, and I really liked the pork and chive dumplings at the first spot, but we got everything done. I'm happy about that. I wish we could have fit one more thing, but no such luck.
Not under 20.
It wouldn't have been under $20, but if you guys out there watching this know anything else that we could probably try for another video like this, leave it in the description, and also like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you soon. So so we are done with the video, but we got a lychee bubble tea. It's pretty good, pretty good. We got it from Sweets, where we concluded the video, and in comparison to the one at Night Market, I know you guys saw the Night Market video, and it's a little bit creamier. The other one's more citrusy, but
and watery.
This is more of a cream base, and I like it. The more I drink it, the more I like it.
It was $7.
Yeah, which will have blown our budget out the window for $20 and under. All right, so that concludes the Chinatown cheap eats under $20 video. We were able to get buns, dumplings, wonton soup, but it really played like a dumpling spot. What we got was soup, but sure felt like dumplings. And then we got a